the time required for students to do a science experiment and the number of students is shown in the following grouped frequency distribution table. Show the information by histogram and also by frequency polygon. So you have to show the information by histogram as well as frequency polygon on the same graph paper. Observe time required for experiment in minutes. It is given 20 to 22 minutes. Number of students 8. 20 to 24 minutes 16 students. 24 to 26 22 students. 26 to 28 18 students. 28 to 30 14 students, and 30 to 32 minutes 12 students. So draw the table. First class, time required for experiment in minutes. Note it down. Then class mark of the class. Midpoint of the class 20 to 22. So midpoint is 21. 22 to 24, midpoint is 23. Midpoint is 25. Midpoint of this class is 27. Midpoint of this class is 29. And 30 to 32, midpoint is 31. That is 30 plus 32 divided by 2. It is 31. Frequency, number of students which is mentioned in your question, write it down as it is. Now you are supposed to draw histogram and frequency polygon. So first to draw histogram, label x dash, y dash, origin O. Now on your x-axis, time required for experiment in minutes. You have to write it on x-axis. Observe the minimum. So one interval you will require before this. So it is 18 to 20. 18 to 20 interval before this, whose midpoint is 19 and whose frequency is 0. We want complete figure, so we want frequency polygon, which is a complete figure. We want one interval before this, and next interval 32 to 34, whose midpoint is 33. Frequency is 0, which is shown over here. 33 0, 17 0, 19 0. So one interval before this whose class mark is 19, which is shown over here. Now 19 0, first point. Then second point 21 8, 21 8. So these are the points which we'll draw for frequency polygon. But now first let us observe histogram. So it is 22 22 8. 22 22, draw column over here 8. 22 to 24, it is 16. 22 to 24, it is 16. 24 to 26 22. 24 to 26, it is 22. Then 18. 26 to 28, it is 18. 28 to 30, it is 14. 28 to 30 14. And 30 to 32, it is 12. So this is your frequency. This is your histogram. Draw all the columns. Use pencil and ruler and draw all this column. This is your histogram. Now join midpoints of the column. Note down these midpoints of every column, upper limit of this, and then join it with 19 0, and here 33 0. Join all these points. So this is your frequency polygon. Question number 12. Draw frequency polygon for the following grouped frequency distribution table. Age of the donor in years, it is given 20 to 24, 25 to 29, 30 to 34, 35 to 39, 40 to 44, 45 to 49, and number of blood donors, that is also mentioned. Now draw the table first. Write down class which is mentioned over here, but the classes are not continuous, so first you make the class continuous. Upper class limit, now here it is 24, and the lower limit of this class is 25. So difference is of 1. 1 divided by 2 is 0.5. So subtract 0.5 from lower limit. 19 minus 0.5 is 19.5. Here it is lower limit 20. So 20 minus 0.5, it is 19.5. 24 plus 0.5 is 24.5. Like this, make the classes continuous